I went to go pick up one of my friends from what hotel are you at again?
Hi, at Diva.
This is Diana.
No,
She's
the lighting's over here.
Oh, the lighting's over there. She's actually so crazy, but this is one of my girls, Diana.
Wagwan.
She's actually so crazy. We're just here chilling at a soccer game. I'm trying to convince her to try some chicken neck, barbecue chicken neck, but she doesn't want to.
No.
She wants to watch me eat it, which is so weird.
I don't do that. Like,
So how was your trip? She went to Dream Weekend. I don't know if any of you guys know about Dream Weekend, but she went. How was it?
It was crazy.
What party did
Wet
you
and
go
Wild was crazy.
to? What parties did you go to?
I went to Wet and Wild. I went to Yush. Yush had like Lady Saw and Beady Man. They're pretty good. Lady Saw has no respect, but she's cool. I went to the Fete with Marshall Montano.
Oh, he was down here?
Yeah,
Sick.
Marshall Montano. It was pretty good. He's a good performer.
I actually seen him one time with Caravana a couple years ago. I seen him. He's
imagined
actually
him
really
differently.
good.
I thought he was gonna be like, I don't know.
I heard he dissed Meat Mill
On stage?
at Caravana during the
Okay,
parade.
yeah, I wouldn't have known. I didn't go to his parties. But he's a live entertainer though.
Yeah.
I didn't even know I could jump so high.
But yeah, she leaves tomorrow. She's here for like what, a week?
Yeah, a week.
A week and a couple days, or just a week?
Just a week.
She's here for a week, but she was like far from me.
I know. We finally linked up though.
Now we're together. Yeah, we're just here chilling on this gloomy day. Everything's been so gloomy.
I'm hot. I'm actually burning.
How are you hot and I'm not
I
hot?
don't know. I think she's used to this weather. I'm not. Like, I'm not used to this weather.
She's crazy though.
Everything's so loud here. The cars, the fucking tires, the people, the dogs.
The dogs.
Holy shit.
Yo.
Yo, see one never.
The funny ends in the thugs them. You see me? Pop Chow. Frostcut.
Flashlight.
Russian. So a banger name.
Nosy Bram Bram.
Nosy Bram Bram. And Pop Chow. So Finn, where you ask me to find bro? This phone. This? Chilla, go up in the tree, you know?
Yo, man.
So we are going to look about some Aki and Courtney go up in the tree. You don't go up in them, my own? Alright, come and climb and show you.
Ever green up we expect.
Chacho, what left you there for brothers? Yes, I pick up your kid right so. Dante, what is your hook there, no Dante?
Watch him, man.
Voila.
Yeah.
Mr. Newbie. Okay. Okay. Oh, my broke, you know. I'm gonna laugh today, you know. I'll tell you that. Hey, Mr. Newbie. Oh.
Open the kitchen. Who's there for sense in the client?
Yeah, I'm, you know, say, the man say, oh, see you. The man buy one and a one, give me, and take it. You want some? You don't want none.
I'm gonna kiss it and drop all his
Pip. Victor. Buy beer flask. No.
Yo. Chilla, man. Come down here, man.
Use it, you can go and get some now.
Where?
That me I tell you, I'm go up in night long.
Where you take this?
So one you can make ya.
Pass me.
Boy, I come down.
Bugs! And I tree with it, dog. Huh?
Yeah, fix up your car wheel.
So right now we are at what is this bar called? You see, every vlog I always do that to you. I start and then I'm like, what is this? What is this place called? DJ Rehab? Oh, we are at D Rehab having some drinks. Traveling out to waiting for our food. Why are you hiding, Mike?
I'm getting out.
having some mango with a shot of something in there.
Picture, I suppose to pose.
Purple rain. Huh?
I take picture, I suppose to pose.
No, it's a video.
A video?
Yeah.
Pose a video right now. Pose a video right now. What can you see what I want? Pose a video, see directly what it's doing. It's going to take care of your mouth. Right? Now you see what she want to see what happens now. Pose it, okay?
This place is in Bombay. So why are you allowed to? No. Are you kidding me?
Why?
I wasn't recording just now.
So they just start now.
Poor Ziggy. Ziggy's sick. Remember last time we vlogged, I was sick?
No.
Yeah, when we were hanging the clothes out. Remember how stuffy I sound? And now you're sick?
So I don't.
You're sick. No, first it was like allergies, and then now it went up to him being actually sick. Aww. And he messed up his tailbone today playing soccer. Ziggy baby. Ziggy Bear is all sick.
Vitamins, nutrients, and caffeine make it a very separation of its drink. Plus, every grain flavor has 0 sugar and 4 calories. So, for an energy shot that really rules its own.
This is the vlog around the shot.
Light one.
What's in it? What is the red? Grenadine.
From the banana.
Something banana. What's this one?
It's creme de
Who will light one?
And then there's like rum on top.
Yeah, rum
so
on
they're gonna
top.
light it.
Boy, light it first.
It should be nice.
So we're just waiting for them to light it up. What are you scared of? What are you scared of?
That's gonna have life, man.
Shots on fire.
Drink one out. You know what that is?
The shots that she just put on fire. Ziggy was scared to drink it. Mike was scared to drink it.
But you didn't try.
So someone else
But you
drank
didn't try.
it, but as they drank it,
But you didn't try.
I don't want liquor like that though. That's
So what you
why.
didn't want? You didn't drink it?
Nobody see what happened to him?
Oh.
So yeah, so the next man drinks in it. I don't know what just happened. Why didn't you drink it when it was lit? So she's leaving me today. She's only here for like a day and a half, but we're just sitting outside. It's so hot. It's like, man, so tired. So hot, it just bothered. Like
Energy drain.
Anyways, we have nothing really planned today. My friend's leaving, so we're just here chilling, doing some little errands before she leaves, and then no, I don't know if I'm doing anything in the night, but as of right now, we're doing nothing. We're just actually chilling. She's gonna get some liquor to bring back home.
This girl's a true yachty. Like, look at this pizza hat. Like,
Shout out to the pizza hat. Keep them curls on fleek. Y'all know what I
true
mean?
yachty. True yachty. She's living the lifestyle. She's adapted.
I've been a yachty, you know, since the day I was born. I've been a Jamaican. They just don't know. Right, Jovian?
She's trying to catch a look of fame.